How does contrast contribute to an amazing image? On your left you see a white and black block pattern. The contrast is the difference between the white is white and your black is black. The white is white you can increase by getting more output out of your projector. The black is black is your perceived color of your screen. As you can see here, we have a white screen. So with a lot of ambient light, the perceived color of your screen is very light, and therefore the contrast goes down, as you can see in that block pattern. To increase that contrast level, we need to make that black level go down, so the perceived color of the screen goes down. And we can do that by reducing the ambient light. Less light on my screen means that my contrast level goes up, because the gray values, the dark values of my black is black go up. Therefore, we create a better contrast and have a good quality image.